Hey there, it's Christopher, and I've got something crucial to share with you in this video. I need your full attention, because it's about the viral traffic code, and trust me, there's more to it than meets the eye. So, folks are getting caught up in scams, losing hard-earned cash because of this viral traffic code. Stick with me till the end, because there's a serious alert I need to share. Ignoring what I'm about to say might just cost you big time. Let's talk about viral traffic code. Does it really work? Many folks dive in, hoping to rake in over $5,000 in a week without breaking a sweat. Truth is, like any gig, it requires dedication and effort. Don't fall for the illusion that success comes easy. Now, what sets viral traffic code apart? It's got solid support. Unlike other courses where I was left hanging, this one had me covered. Questions and doubts, they've got you. The sense of security from a community asking questions daily is a game changer. But listen up, for real results, you've got to invest yourself. Some say it's a dud, but they haven't even attended the classes. Viral traffic code is a goldmine, covering everything from basics to advanced strategies. You'll learn to make money, use your phone for sales, develop a success mindset, and back some amazing bonuses. With what I've learned, I can now comfortably pay my bills. The best part, I make my own schedule. No more early mornings for me. And here's the kicker. Be cautious when snagging viral traffic code. Scams are lurking. People are getting conned left and right because they're clicking on the wrong sites. Don't be one of them. I've dropped the link to the official site in the description. And the first comment. Click wisely. Also, double check your email when buying the course. That's your ticket in. Attention to detail is key. Here's the deal. Test viral traffic code for 30 days. If it doesn't click for you, if it doesn't work out, they'll hand your money back. Simple. I genuinely hope this video opens your eyes, and I wish viral traffic code transforms your life. Until next time, take care.